Hi everybody, my name is Bendy, and today, before we go on holiday, oh hi brother! Hi, I'm the one who made that short. Cringe. Yeah, but I have something for us to taste test. Okay? Will I grab it? Okay, I got it. We are going to taste test the blue fanta. Now, Boris has most of it gone because he loves bacon soup. This is bacon soup. No, it's blue fanta. Bacon soup. Blue fanta. Bacon soup. Blue fanta. Ugh. But anyway, according to Wikipedia, this is supposed to taste like elderflower. Okay, I'm gonna taste that.
Elderly flower.
Go away, Sammy. Anyway, let me taste this. Tastes like blue Skittles. You know those tropical ones? It does. That's our thoughts, everybody. Goodbye.